This is such an easy, festive recipe. Your family will love it. You can package it up as little gifts for friends over the holidays. It's a white chocolate cranberry popcorn crunch. And as the title suggests, it has white chocolate, cranberries, popcorn. I'm using microwave popcorn to make things easy. If you prefer to use just regular popcorn kernels, just pop about a half a cup of popcorn kernels in an air popper. I have some little pretzel twists. These I found at my bulk store. Aren't they cute? They have Christmas trees on them. If you can't find those, just the regular little pretzel twists will do. But I thought these were so cute for Christmas. And I have 2 cups of pistachios in their shell. I'm going to shell those while I melt the chocolate. So a few things to get ready. I have baking sheets that I've lined with baking parchment paper. Have those at the ready. There's a little bit of prep to this, but once you're ready, it all comes together very quickly, and you want to have your pans at hand when that time comes. So let's get this chocolate melting, and then we can work on shelling our pistachios. While you're working on shelling the pistachios, put your white chocolate in a metal bowl and place your metal bowl over a pot of hot water over the top of the stove. Just nice simmering water, and let this slowly melt. And keep checking on it. You don't want white chocolate to get too hot or it might seize up on you. So just melt that very slowly in a double boiler. I'm using pistachios in the shell because they're the most cost-effective for this recipe, but you can certainly use pistachios that have been shelled already. I would give them a taste before you put them in the recipe. I'm going to toast these in the oven for a few minutes just to make sure they're nice and fragrant and have a little bit of crunch to them. And this is a nice family activity. If you have little ones in the house, they might like to help you shell these pistachios. Sometimes they're a little hard on the fingers depending on the toughness of the shells, but these are coming apart nicely. You can use whatever kind of nut you like for this. I like pistachios because they're a little bit special compared to almonds or pecans. The other thing I like about them is that they've got a little hint of green. So when you put them next to the dried cranberries and then mix them in with the popcorn and white chocolate, as you'll see later, it just gives that nice Christmassy look. Slowly, slowly melt your chocolate. So after you've shelled all your pistachios, just pour them out on a small baking sheet and pop these in a 350 oven for about 5 minutes, or just until you can start to smell them getting nice and fragrant and toasty. You don't want to burn them, you're just looking to toast them up a little bit. So into the oven with the nuts. So my chocolate is melted, my nuts have toasted, and now I'm going to pop this popcorn in the microwave. And have a bowl at the ready. I have a big bowl just waiting in the wings. And once the popcorn has finished popping, dump that into the bowl and all your other ingredients, because you want everything to be nice and warm. That will help the white chocolate spread evenly over the popcorn and the nuts and pretzels and dried cranberries. So I'm going to pop this in the microwave and I'll be back in a second. Okay, the popcorn has popped. Don't burn yourself. So I've dumped the hot popcorn in here, and I'm thinking I'm going to actually transfer this into another bowl because I see there's some unpopped kernels. You don't want anyone to break their teeth on an unpopped kernel, especially when it's all covered in nice white chocolate. So I'm going to just transfer this into another bowl and then dump out the unpopped kernels. So just hang tight. I'm going to grab another bowl and take care of that very quickly. Your hands are the best utensils for this because that way you can pick up the kernels, the popped kernels, and let the unpopped kernels stay at the bottom of the bowl. Just let the unpopped ones fall through your fingers. Yeah, see, there's quite a few unpopped kernels, so definitely take the time to do this step and get rid of those. So I'm going to dump these. Okay. Now, you do need a really super big bowl, so I'm going to put this back in the big bowl. And I have my dried cranberries. Just scatter those in there. My little Christmas tree pretzels. My toasted pistachios. Water is the enemy of melted chocolate, so make sure the bottom of your bowl is dry. And I see some dabbed on my, so just dab that off with a clean tea towel. And just working very quickly, scrape that all into your bowl. Quickly as you can, just start tossing and tossing. You're trying to get a little bit of white chocolate on every morsel. And the residual heat from the toasted pistachios helps that white chocolate to stay fluid. Toss, toss, toss. Make sure you go up from the bottom because some of those cranberries are a little heavier. The cranberries and nuts will sink to the bottom. There, that looks pretty good to me. I think everything has a little bit of white chocolate on it. So now we're going to, I have 2 sheets here. I'll get this out of your way so you can see. I have 2 baking sheets here. You might not need 2, but it's good to have 2 at the ready. Just spread it out. I think 1 will do. And just spread it out so that that white chocolate can firm up completely. And as usual, the hardest thing about making anything like this is waiting for something to cool or waiting for something to set up. This needs to set up. Then you can break it apart and you can give it a little taste test. And then once it has set up, you can, if you're going to give this as gifts, you can put it in little plastic bags with a nice Christmassy ribbon, or you can pop it in jars, and like a mason jar, and tie a ribbon around the top. And it just makes a nice gift for friends or people that you care about, neighbors, and let them know you're thinking about them over the holidays.